Introducing the brand new Scout front bumper for the Mercedes Sprinter van from Backwoods Adventure Mods. These bumpers were designed to give you a factory integrated look while still giving you a lot of added functionality and protection. The Scout Series bumpers are made in the USA by Backwoods Adventure Mods, a brand we've partnered with for years to bring you guys the most rugged and capable products on the market. The Scout Series comes in two different types of bumpers, one with a bull bar and one without. Both of them are great for mounting exterior lights to, adding a worn 12K winch. These bumpers are even compatible with the Van Compass skid plate, so be sure to add that to complete the whole look. Another great thing about these bumpers is that they accommodate all of the factory sensor locations for parking, cruise control, and lane assist. Both bumpers come ready with a 2-inch receiver if you want to add a hitch to the front or a license plate holder. So if your van is looking a little bland, give us a call and pick one up before camping season.